Medyo nakakabahala, mga kababayan, ang ganitong mga kwento. Nagkakaroon ngayon po ng mga maanghang na palitan ng salita between Trump. In a warning to Russia, President Donald Trump said Friday he's ordering the repositioning of 2 U.S. nuclear submarines based on the highly provocative statements daw. The President added, words are very important niya, and it can often lead to unintended consequences. I hope this will not be one of those instances, sabi po ni President Trump. Trump also said, I do that on the basis of safety for our people, and we gonna protect our people. And later added of Medvedev, huwag daw tayo magulamihanan. Do not be troubled. For all these things,
nagpapagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu na lipungan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
Ito po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Dito ulit tayo sa ating podcast, Live with Dante M. May gusto akong i-share sa inyo na medyo siguro masasabi natin alarming. Kasi parang nagkakagirian, mga kababayan, ngayon yung Amerika saka yung Russia. Yan. Ito yung balita ngayon, mga kababayan, sa Manila Bulletin. Trump orders U.S. nuclear submarines repositioned over statements from ex-Russian leader Dmitry Medvedev. Medyo nakakabahala, mga kababayan, ang ganitong mga kwento. Nagkakaroon ngayon po ng mga maanghang na palitan ng salita between Trump tapos yung leader, dating Russian leader. Although dating Russian leader siya, pero malakas pa rin yung impluensya niya. And in fact, nagpapalitan lang sila, mga kababayan, ni Putin. So very close kay Putin, mga kababayan, itong si Medvedev. Sana naman po, itong World War po nila, hindi maging World War, di ba? Ngayon, World War pa lang. Pari yung nuclear power po ang Russia. Mas marami yung nuclear weapons po ng Russia, nuclear warheads, kaysa sa Amerika. Yan o, sabi rito. From Washington, in a warning to Russia, President Donald Trump said Friday he's ordering the repositioning of 2 U.S. nuclear submarines based on the highly provocative statements daw of the country's former president na si Dmitry Medvedev, who has raised the prospect of war online. War online pa lang, palitan mo na ng manghang na salita. Diyan po usually nagsisimula. Palitan mo na ng manghang na salita, and later on, nagkainitan na po. O tingnan ninyo, dahil sa statement ni Medvedev, hindi nagustuhan ni Trump. Kaya si Trump, ang aksyon niya po, ipinag-utos niya yung pag-reposition sa mga nuclear submarines ng Amerika. Trump posted on his social media a site that based on the highly provocative statements niya from Medvedev, he had ordered 2 nuclear submarines to be positioned in an appropriate regions. Just in case niya, these foolish and inflammatory statements are more than just that. Tinawag pa niyang foolish. So, mabibigat salita, mga kababayan, ang binitawan ni President Trump laban sa dating leader ng Russia na si Medvedev. Yan yung dating Russian leader na si Dmitry Medvedev. The President added, words are very important niya, and it can often lead to unintended consequences. I hope this will not be one of those instances, sabi po ni President Trump. It was not clear what impact Trump's order would have on U.S. nuclear subs, which are routinely on patrol in the world's hotspots. But it comes at a delicate moment in the Trump administration's relations with Moscow. Sabi po ni Trump that Special Envoy Steve Witkoff is heading to Russia to push Moscow to agree to a ceasefire in its war with Ukraine and has threatened new economic sanctions if progress is not made. He cut his 50-day deadline for action to 10 days, with that window set to expire next week. So, parang yung mga aksyon ni Trump, mga kababayan, na magpalabas ng deadline, parang yung kanyang pinalabas na deadline sa Iran before na binomba po yung Iran. Yung Iran-Israel 12-day war na binomba mga kababayan ng Amerika yung mga nuclear sites ng Iran. So sabi dito sa balita, the post about the sub-repositioning came after Trump in the wee hours of Thursday morning had posted that Medvedev was a failed former president of Russia and warned him to watch his words. Medvedev responded hours later by writing, Russia is right on everything and will continue to go its own way. Yung mga aksyonan niya ng Russia, laging tama kasi nasa tamang direksyon kami. Parang sinupalpal mga kababayan si Trump nang magkomento. So sabi dito, in that back and forth followed earlier this week when Medvedev wrote, Trump's playing the ultimatum game with Russia. 50 days or 10 and added, he should remember two things. Number 1 na niya, Russia is not Israel or even Iran. Number 2 niya, its new ultimatum is a threat and a step towards war, not between Russia and Ukraine niya, but between his own country. Yung Ukraine kasi po, kampi ang Amerika sa Ukraine. Siya yung nagsusupply ng mga armas and it's war with Russia. So ngayon, ang sinasabi rito, baka direkta na ng gira. Hindi proxy war ng Amerika with Russia using Ukraine. So, ito po ang gusto kong ipaabot sa inyo na I think seryoso po ang nangyayari ngayon. May kumukulo, umiinit na conflict. Una muna, mga manghang na salita, palitan ng mga manghang na salita. Diyan po yan nagsisimula eh. Ngayon, as he was leaving the White House on Friday evening for a weekend as he stayed in New Jersey about where he was repositioning the submarines, sabi po ni Trump, or Trump did not offer any specific. Di man niya sinabi kung saan ipoposition po. So parang yung pinapaiwatig ni Trump, pinaposition po yung mga submarines, nuclear submarines, para pagandaan. Halimbawa, wag naman sana po na mangyari, umatake yung Russia, handa po ang Amerika, handa yung nuclear submarines. May tinatawag po sila na mutually assured destruction, nuclear destruction. Talagang nakakatakot po. Kung halimbawa magkaroon ng direktang giyera between America and Russia, mauwi tayo sa Third World War na po. Sabagay, yan ang sinasabi po sa Bible. We are actually nearing towards tribulation period, mga kababayan. Sabi ni Trump, we had to do that. We just have to be careful, sabi ng presidente. A threat was made and we did not think it was appropriate. So I have to be very careful, sabi po ni Trump. Trump also said, I do that on the basis of safety for our people. And we gonna protect our people. And later added, of Medvedev. He was talking about nuclear, sabi ni Trump. When you talk about nuclear, we have to be prepared, sabi ni US President Trump. And we are totally prepared. Si Medvedev was Russia's president from 2008 to 2012, while Putin was barred from seeking a second consecutive term, but step aside to let him run again. Nagsasalit-salitan lang po yung dalawa. So very close siya kay Putin, itong si Medvedev. Kaya may weight kung ano yung mga sinasabi niya. Kaya ito ang sinasabi ni Trump. Now, Deputy Chairman of Russia's National Security Council, which Putin chaired, Medvedev has been known for his provocative and inflammatory statements since the start of the war in 2022. That's a U-turn from his presidency when he was seen as liberal and progressive. So, Deputy Chairman pala siya ngayon, si Medvedev, ng National Security Council ng Russia. So, nasa gobyerno pa rin siya. Kaya may weight yung kanya mga binibitawang salita. Kaya nag-react agad mga kababayan si Trump sa pamamagitan ng pag-reposition sa nuclear submarines. Medvedev has frequently wielded nuclear threats and lobbed insults at Western leaders on social media. Some observers have argued that with his extravagant rhetoric, Medvedev is seeking to score political points with Putin in Russian military hope. One such example before the latest spat with Trump came on July 15 after Trump announced plans to supply Ukraine with more weapons via its NATO allies and threatened additional tariffs against Moscow. Medvedev posted then, Trump issued a theatrical ultimatum
ultimatum to Kremlin. The world shuddered, expecting the consequences. Belligerent Europe was disappointed. Russia did not care.
Yan yung mga matatalim na salita, mga kababayan, na pinost ni Medvedev. Walaan niya kaming paki yan sa mga ginagawa ninyo. Ngayon, ito yung latest po na statement. Medyo lumala. Latest na pananalita na threatening na po talaga. Binitawan po ni Medvedev. 8 hours ago, updated po. Sabi dyan, Medvedev reminds Trump of Russia's doomsday nuclear strike capabilities as war of words escalates. Delikado po, mga kababayan. Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi magkakamali ang Bible po. There will be wars and rumors of wars. Yan o. Matthew 24, verse 6 to 13. As signs ng pagbabalik ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. Ang sabi dito, and ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye not be troubled. For all these things must come to pass. But the end is not yet. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be famines and pestilences and earthquakes in divers places. All these are the beginning of sorrows. Then shall they deliver you up to be afflicted, and shall kill you, and shall be hated of all nations for my name's sake. And then shall many be offended, and shall betray one another. Magtatraidoran daw yung bawat isa. And shall hate one another. And many false prophets shall rise, and shall deceive many. Marami po ngayon yan. And because iniquity shall abound, the love of many shall wax cold. But he that shall endure unto the end, the same shall be saved. Huwag daw tayong magulamihanan. Do not be troubled. For all these things must come to pass. Pero hindi pa man po siya ang katapusan. Yan o. But the end is not yet. Yan mga believers po, kami, tayong mga believers na nanonood ngayon sa ating Life with Dan TM, iba man po ang nafe-feel namin, excitement. Na-excite tayo kasi ang ibig sabihin, yung Bible po sinasabi, ng promise ng Bible, totoo po, babalik na yung ating Panginoong Hesukristo. Ito yung mga tanda. E nakita ninyo, mga kababayan, palala ng palala ang mga kaganapan sa ating mundo. Sunod-sunod yung lindol. Yung east coast ng Russia, tinamaan pa lang po ng pinakang malakas na lindol, remember, na pati yung tsunami warning, umabot dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas. Sunod-sunod po. At yung gera po, sunod-sunod din po, pumuputok yung gera. Yung Cambodia and Thailand po, biglang nagbumbahan po. You see? Other than yung long-standing conflict sa Middle East. At yung Russia-Ukraine war. Tapos we have trouble dito po sa West Philippine Sea. A possible conflict, mga kababayan. All these things daw must come to pass. So dapat pala maganap talaga siya. Mangyayari at mangyayari kahit ayaw natin. Kahit sino ba naman ang gusto, mga kababayan, ng gera. Tingnan naman ninyo yung nangyari sa Israel, sa Syria, sa Ukraine. So ito na po, doomsday na ang pinag-uusapan. Medvedev reminds Trump of Russia's doomsday nuclear strike capabilities as war of words escalates. Sabi po ni Medvedev, Trump's statement showed that Russia should continue on its current policy course, anya. If some words from the former president of Russia trigger such a nervous reaction from the high and mighty president of the United States, then Russia is doing everything right and will continue to proceed along its own path, sabi po niya sa kanyang post on Telegram. Trump should remember how dangerous the fabled dead hand can be, a reference to a secretive semi-automated Russian command system designed to launch Moscow's nuclear missiles if its leadership had been taken out in decapitating strike by a foe. That is the doomsday nuclear strike, mga capabilities. Yun ang minimin, mga kababayan, ni Medvedev. Yun ang sinasabing mutually assured destruction capabilities both by America and Russia. Wala nang matitira kahit sino sa kanila. Kasi mutually assured destruction using nuclear warheads, mga kababayan, nuclear weapons. Yan ang tinatawag na doomsday na. Katapusan na ng mundo. You see?
Ano ang ibig sabihin ng mutual assured destruction? Ang mutual assured destruction is a doctrine of military strategy and national security policy which posits or assumes that a full-scale use of nuclear weapons by an attacker on a nuclear-armed defender with second strike capabilities would result in the complete annihilation of both the attacker and the defender. Yan ang ibig sabihin.
Huwag naman sana po, mga kababayan, kasi marami pa tayong mga pangarap. Pero ang timetable ng ating Panginoon, hindi man natin mababago. That there will be wars and rumors of wars. And the tribulation is about to begin, mga kababayan. Hindi man natin pwedeng baguhin ang paglipas ng araw, yung pag-ikot ng orasan, hindi man natin pwedeng pigilin. Talagang darating at darating siya, mga kababayan. Kaya, be ready spiritually, mga kababayan. Dapat lagi tayong handa. Tanggapin na natin. Ayun talaga ang direksyon ng mundo. At kailangan gawin natin, tanggapin ang ating Panginoong Hesukristo as our Lord and Savior. Para dumating man siya, ligtas at least yung ating kaluluwa. Tama po, mga kababayan? So kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel, bagong YouTube channel, Life with Dan TM, click subscribe po. And share naman po ninyo ng ating mga videos. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye po. God bless. Ito naman po, Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream. Pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Naing siya Red Mix Fruit Drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya, mga kababayan, sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayosan niya, Mr. Maravilla. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.